Okay guys, welcome back to our tools channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to see your archive messages on Messenger. Before that guys, click on the like button, share and comment please. It's so very important to me. So let's go back. How do you see your archive messages? So let's go to our Messenger. Okay, I have a messenger on my home screen already, and which is here the second one before this on my camera. So guys, if you did not remember how to add your messenger to your home screen, you can search our channel to see how to add an apps or any apps on your home screen with easy tutorials. So guys, go there and search for it, and I got you covered. So let's dive in. Open your messenger, and this is it. This is my messenger. The next step you're going to do is look at this your three or this three line at the up here. Click on this three line here now, and this is it. You can see this is archive. Click on the archive, and all the messages you are archive is going to pop up out here. So you can see, so if you want to check the message, just click on the message and you have the access back to the messages. Archive is really lovely to save messages that you wanted to refer to in the next time. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys, you are awesome.